Look at mine.
You should look better. But I got chocolate inside my bowl though.
That's fancy, but they can't see all that.
You know what I mean? Close up. Chocolate inside the bowl.
Stop saying.
Come on now.
Mine is better, period. We're gonna do an ice cream sundae from scratch. Don't mind my bowl, cause I already did a little bit. Well, you trying to be fancy.
Ooh.
More the ice cream, cause they can't see.
They can't see it.
Alright, so I already did mine. Trying to be fancy.
It's a big hole.
Ciao, boo.
Emotional abuse is a motherfucker.
I mean, anyway.
Oh, hell no!
So,
Oh, okay.
we're gonna be doing a little mukbang Q&A. So, when you first seen me in person, what you thought?
Oh, yeah, no type of. Well, what I thought. You short as fuck.
You said I'm short as fuck. Move it down here.
Short as fuck. You was short as a motherfucker. When I first seen you.
Let me see this.
You know
It's
what I
not
mean?
finished. Let me wait until it's finished.
I went to school for stuff like this.
Oh, so you finished?
Yeah. Simple.
Where you roll up?
Simple.
Simple.
Simple, classic. Who will look better?
Look, move it closer.
Because my shit, let's look at that.
Look at mine.
You should look better. But I got chocolate inside my bowl though.
That's fancy, but they can't see all that.
You know what I mean? Close up. Chocolate inside the bowl.
Stop saying.
Come on now.
Mine is better, period. So,
What you thought when you first came in? I don't even know what you thought when you first came in. You gotta see this story.
when I first seen you, I don't know, because I'm like a very to myself type of person. That was just different.
What you mean it was different? What you mean it was different?
Like, it was like, I don't know. I never really took no guy serious. So, like, we chill.
Which leads me to my next question. You never took no guy serious, so you never took me serious?
No, not saying you, but I'm saying in my last relationship.
You didn't take him serious?
No, I got heartbroken to where I feel like I couldn't do no more. So after that last relationship, I never seen nobody serious besides you. Oh. Now, what you thought of me? That was because I was short as fuck. That's all.
You short as fuck. You had no Crocs on.
That's now yours. Go ahead.
You had no pants on.
You did?
Little puff ponytail his ass.
But you like that.
Then I came back with. The next week I started spending that. They ain't even know. They might not see what you doing. They don't know shit. I was dead ass spending that.
So,
Cracking that shit.
so,
At night.
yeah, when we first met,
I was in the one hospital.
we was,
I lucky I ain't had to take a shit because I didn't have to take a shit. This people.
yeah, I used to sneak him in my mama's house. You gave it up. Hope they don't see it.
I hope they don't see it. I'm trying to eat my simple bowl.
Oh.
She's just trying to keep this shit by herself.
Okay, good.
So like, are you loyal? Like,
Yes, I'm very loyal. Don't get it twisted. We can't curse, so don't get it twisted. I did do my mistakes, and I admit it.
I did some mistakes too, but you know, we're not gonna get it over anyway.
How many kids you want?
7.
You lying?
Yeah, all of them gonna play sports as well. Basketball, hockey, football,
7 kids?
golf, like that. Mm-hmm.
No, I only want 4. The max 4, but the minimum 2.
I wanna fly out.
You think I don't?
Look at that, George. That shit don't do that.
Hella chocolate.
That's not hella chocolate. It's just a little bit at the bottom. It's just mixed together.
Mine was simple and cute. Purr.
Oh, my bad. We got shit to spoon, y'all. I went to school for shit like this. For stuff like this. You gotta bleep that. So what's the next question? You like Maury? You like corn?
So what's your favorite sport?
And that's for that. I'm a Dallas Cowboys, and you know that. You know I'm a Dallas Cowboys.
Oh, don't mind me. I like a little actress.
It ain't nothing. Coke.
So where you want to fly out to? Oh, I was supposed to school. Where you want to fly out to?
Maybe.
Like, what's your? Cause I know we just beginning. So like, what's the simple? We just beginning like to fly out and stuff like that. So what's
the simple, the flyest part?
like the simple part? Like you say you begin
Florida,
to start.
right?
Then after that, oh, excuse me.
After that, I probably would like to.
But let me see that.
I went with Hawaii. You know, Hawaii is United States now.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Okay, what you like to eat? What's your favorite meal?
Oh, my favorite something. But I don't eat red meat no more.
You said what? What you say?
I don't eat red meat no more, so.
No.
I eat like fish. Alright. I like that.
Okay.
Really?
Besides red meat, like you're not eating red meat right now. What's your favorite?
A big ass hoagie with it. It's a big hoagie.
Ciao, boo.
And what's your abuse is a motherfucker?
Alright, anyway.
Oh, hell no!